If you had invested just 5,000 rupee per month into India's Nifty 50 index fund starting in January 2000, by December 2023 you would be sitting on over 5.2 crore rupees. Your total investment? Just 13.8 lakhs rupees. That means the market turned every 1 rupee you invested into 37 rupees and 68 paise automatically, silently, while you slept. Nobody taught you this in school. Here's exactly why. Right now, over 47 crore Indians keep their savings in bank accounts earning 2.7 to 3.5% interest annually. Meanwhile, inflation in India runs at 5 to 6% per year. Do the brutal math. Your savings account is literally destroying your wealth every single day. You work hard, deposit money, and the bank quietly hands it to corporations at 14% interest. You get 3. They keep 11. In 1965, a 35-year-old man named Warren Buffett discovered a principle so powerful he called it the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly said the same thing. Here's what makes it magical. At 12% annual returns, your money doubles every 6 years. 5,000 rupees becomes 10,000 rupees, then 20,000 rupees, then 40,000 rupees, without you adding a single rupee more. Time is the engine. Meet Ramesh Kulkarni from Pune, a 28-year-old software engineer earning 45,000 rupee per month in 2005. He started a SIP of just 5,000 rupee monthly in a simple Nifty index fund through his post office. His colleagues bought motorcycles and LCD televisions. Ramesh did nothing exciting. By 2023, at age 46, Ramesh quietly crossed 4.8 crore rupees. His total personal contribution was only 10.8 lakhs rupees. Compounding did the rest. Here is the exact formula, not theory, actual rupee numbers. 5,000 rupee per month at 12% annual returns, the Sensex 30-year historical average, grows to 1.76 crore rupees in 25 years. Bump that to 14%, the Nifty Small Cap 100 historical average, and you reach 3.2 crore rupees. Add a step-up SIP, increasing by 10% every year, and you shatter 5 crore rupees comfortably. 3 simple levers. 1 massive outcome. The Sensex launched on 1st January 1986 at just 100 points. Today it trades above 73,000. That is a 730 times return in under 40 years, making it one of the best performing major indices on planet Earth. Even after Black Monday 1987, the dot-com crash of 2000, the 2008 financial crisis, and COVID's 38% crash in March 2020, the Sensex recovered every single time and went higher. Every single time. The single biggest mistake 94% of Indian investors make. They pause their SIP during market crashes. This is catastrophically wrong. When markets fell 38% in March 2020, the investors who continued their 5,000 rupees SIP bought units at massive discounts. By December 2021, those same units had tripled. Stopping your SIP during a crash is like refusing to buy mangoes during a sale because mangoes look cheaper than usual. Madness. You want to start today? Open Grow, Zerodha Coin, or Paytm Money, all SEBI registered, all free. Search Nifty 50 Index Fund, choose Nippon India or UTI Nifty 50. Set a monthly SIP of 5,000 rupees on your salary date. Automation kills excuses. Enable 10% annual step-up. Set a 25-year goal. Screenshot this video. Do it before you finish watching. The best time was 10 years ago. Second best time is the next 4 minutes. India will be the world's third largest economy by 2027. 400 million Indians are entering the middle class by 2030. The Sensex is projected to cross 1 lakh points within this decade. You are alive at the single greatest wealth creation moment in Indian history, and all it costs to participate is 5,000 rupees a month. That's 167 rupee per day. Less than a Swiggy order. Your crorepati journey starts with one sip. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every single week.